Good afternoon, this is Chris Brecher with the Simpler Trading / Chart Patterns Mastery free video, August 15th, 2024. What's this about? It's about markets not showing reversal signals and not trying to jump the gun on the downside, at least on hourly charts. So let's go right into the charts. I'll show you what we're talking about. So we know that markets have gone to like the 50% retracement and all this. Our first priority was to watch that inverse head and shoulders in the ES. So this whole pattern right here looked like some kind of complex head and shoulders, inverse head and shoulders. So when that broke, that measures about 178 points. That gets you right to where it is. So keep that in mind. The other thing, this is a warning sign, no doubt, but it hasn't happened yet, is the entire sell-off has now reached its 61.8 retracement, which doesn't mean a hill of beans until you can then combine other stuff. As you see, it's now 0.764. So it overshot. The other thing you have to watch, like I mentioned, is you're over the ATR trailing stop. And if you add the 50 moving average, it's over the 50 moving average. Now, I've seen that before. I've seen that before when you have a big old sell-off that you pop your head above things like here. But they get overbought. So the key is the reversal pattern. You don't have that reversal pattern. You have the big sell-offs here. Let me show you. Big sell-offs. And it reclaimed for then. And then you saw a reversal pattern. You had a big reversal here, and then you saw the reversal pattern. What I mean by reversal pattern is you're seeing like this. When you get the sell-offs, you're then seeing a valid pattern. Here is a valid pattern, right here. Most of the times you get these sell-offs, you get whether it's this one was on an hourly chart, this one was on a daily. You get that rally, then the sell-off, then a rally, so you have a defined trend line you can draw. You don't have that yet with the overall markets now. You have a real rally, so everybody's trying to sell on the way up. So what happened in there? Nothing in here. How about an hourly? Nothing in there. That's what I'm telling you. You might have had trend lines here, but they didn't break. Just keep that in mind. They didn't break. So how about on a 15-minute? Nothing. Not yet. Hasn't broken. How about a 5-minute? Well, it's getting there. Finally, there's at least something you can try to draw on the downside. So the key is that if this does break, because it's at resistance, it's also overbought, it's had a big old retracement, but if you're going to short this, you have to wait for a defined break. Most of the time you get this. You get a rally, you get that, and then you get a trend line. I'll show you an example. This is Apple in the last 10 minutes. There you go. You got the rally, you got the test of the rally, and then the trend line. But it really didn't do much. But I'm just showing you that's the kind of thing you're looking at. They had one yesterday. So just keep that in mind. That's a 5-minute. Now, if I want to get really bearish, I want to see that on a 15-minute. We haven't seen that yet. So that's how I'm going to try to trade tomorrow, whether it's Apple, whether it's Nvidia. None of these have that reversal characteristic yet. The key on the reversal is the break and then what the oversold rally is like. And that's what we're going to be watching in multiple indexes and multiple stocks. Have a great night. Talk to you later. Good afternoon, everyone. This is Chris Brecher, and I'm Senior Managing Director of Stocks at Simpler Trading. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you like our content, please leave us a like and a comment down below. Also, be sure to subscribe to our channel and click the bell notification icon so you never miss any of our great new content coming out. Good trading, and we'll see you at the next video. Take care.